We have different USPs. First of all, we have the Helo material, which is a unique material when we talk about energy performance. We also have a USP called easy installation, where we hoist up our modules and put them actually like train wagons on track rails, so you just put them close together. And then of course we have what we see is a very nice design where we actually made it uniform. So you can't see if it's fixed or vented before you actually open the vented windows. So it's a nice design. And then finally, of course, we believe we are best in class when it comes to technical values. When we develop, we always have not only working with assumptions, but we also tested it in real life.